got my helmet cam, and he wanted to see what it was like sledding.
Of course. When my grandson comes up, you can take a turn, sure.
Sure.
You came on a motorcycle?
I did.
Is that keep you that warm?
Yeah, I'm warm.
I guess there's not much showing, so.
Huh?
I guess you don't have much showing.
No, nothing.
Yeah. Hey, Ty. Could you let this person take a ride on your sled one time? They have a video. Look, they have a little video camera on their helmet, and they're going to videotape them.
Can I borrow your sled for one shot?
Isn't that cool? A little video camera right on there.
Yeah, I got a video camera right here. I'll bring it all the way back up for you and everything.
Go wherever you want.
Oh, sure. This works. I haven't done this, oh gosh, in years. Whoa! This is the part that sucks.
One more run. Yeah, you want to do how many more?
Thanks, Ty. Oh, that's fine. Thank you, sir. That's a fast sled. Oh, well, thank you.
Oh, sure.
I'm going to get going. It's not fun to be out too long. Look out below! That was close.
Hey, Gregory, Alex, what's the furthest?